This is the Samsung Fit 3. Samsung recently launched this quietly, which is a pity because I've actually been using this for about 2 weeks and I really like it. From my experience with this watch, I was very impressed with the battery life. I almost got 2 weeks from it, and that reminds me of the Mi Bands. It is actually in the same category as the fitness bands from Xiaomi, which is why the battery can last that long. And it is also very cheap at about $60, which is a fraction of the cost of getting a classic 250-ish Samsung watch or an Apple Watch. In my opinion, if I had to classify this watch, I would describe it as a fitness tracker that fills the gap between basic trackers and full-fledged smartwatches. If you are already a part of the Samsung ecosystem and you're looking for a reasonably priced watch that seamlessly integrates with your other Samsung devices, then this might be the perfect fit for you. This watch boasts a comfortable design, long battery life, and an impressive number of features for its price. The Fit 3 comes in a compact box with the watch itself, a charging cradle, a quick start guide, and warranty information. The Samsung Fit 3 features a lightweight design with a soft silicone band with an actual buckle. It's comfortable to wear for extended periods, making it ideal for all-day tracking. The strap can also be easily removed and replaced by pushing the button under the watch, and there are actually 3 different colors you can choose from if you want to pick up this watch. The build quality feels solid, and the watch itself has an IP68 rating and 5 atmosphere of water resistance, so you can take it swimming without any worries. The 1.6-inch AMOLED display is a major highlight. It is bright and crisp and offers excellent readability indoors and outdoors. The always-on display option is a nice touch, but it does take a slight toll on battery life. I also noticed that reducing the screen brightness improves the battery life a lot. The size of the watch is larger than most fitness trackers, making it easy to see notifications and stats and even navigate menus. The Fit 3 connects to your phone via Bluetooth and utilizes the Samsung Wearable App on Android phones. On iPhones, however, the Galaxy Fit app doesn't seem to be updated to support the Fit 3 yet. Pairing is a breeze on Android, especially with a Samsung phone. Just turn the watch on near a Samsung phone and the pairing will be initiated. The Wearable app is well designed, offering a plethora of data visualization, watch faces, customization options, and fitness tracking options. The Fit 3 offers a lot more than just basic step tracking and calorie counting. It also includes features such as sleep monitoring, guided workouts, and several sport modes. Additionally, it can measure your heartbeat, stress levels, and blood oxygen. I appreciate how the watch collapses all health-related functions into one category, making the interface cleaner. The Fit 3 can also control music playback on your phone and display basic notifications, including phone calls. You can even open notifications on your phone from the watch. However, it is not possible to accept phone calls on the watch, but you can reject them. The watch doesn't have GPS, which is a drawback in my opinion, but it can also use your phone's GPS for route tracking during outdoor activities. I frequently use the camera remote feature on the watch. It allows me to use the watch as a remote shutter when taking photos or videos. However, this feature doesn't offer a preview of what the camera is capturing, nor can it assist you with framing the shots. Samsung Fit 3 boasts an impressive 13-day battery life on paper, but with the always-on display turned off, I got about 10 days with moderate activity tracking. Charging is done via the included magnetic cable and takes about an hour for a full charge. The Fit 3 sits at a very competitive price point of about $60 and 69,000 naira in Nigeria, compared to similarly priced Fit bands like the watches from Oraimo and the bands from Xiaomi. It offers a premium display, a wider range of features, and excellent battery life. So I think it is a compelling option for anyone seeking a feature-rich fitness band without breaking the bank. And while it lacks built-in GPS and advanced smartwatch functionalities, it excels in core fitness tracking and everyday convenience features. If you are an active individual and you are already invested in the Samsung ecosystem and you are looking for a stylish companion that can help you keep track of your health, fitness, and sleep, then the Fit 3 is absolutely and definitely worth considering. Please subscribe if this video was helpful and continue watching any of the videos currently on your screen right now. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.